Hey you, it's Sun Jung from Hungry Gopher. I have exciting news for you today. Our long-awaited book, Kimchi, is finally here. This book will offer you quick and easy kimchi recipes for weight loss, clear skin, and a healthier you. So the thing was, I wasn't always skinny, and this is my picture from my middle school. I was the third best kid in the entire school of over 2,000 students. So how did I lose weight without even trying? Past 5 years or so? With customized kimchi and food and simple lifestyle changes. Today, I'm going to offer you one simple tool, kimchi. For many months, I've been pouring my heart and soul into it, creating the book to help you make your kimchi adventure easy, safe, and fun. I spent many hours going through the inbox and comments from you guys so that I can answer most of your questions so you can make kimchi easily at home. I'm offering this as pay-watch-one pricing to help you guys out. I started teaching about kimchi making and its essential role in health and wellness from March 2014. In 6 years, I've gotten over 5 million views on YouTube with hundreds of kimchi fans raving about their kimchi success, therefore, their health improvement. In 2015, I became medicine-free, including steroids I had relied on for 3 decades with kimchi, food, and simple changes in my life. Let me repeat that. I became medicine-free and got healthier as I got older. I'll show the exact recipes I used and the same recipes that others have followed to lose weight, get clear skin, and become healthier from kimchi so you can have the same health and wellness success. Kimchi is full of nutrition, packed with vitamin C and vitamin B, and it's high in fiber and low in calorie. Our modern diet lacks probiotics that we need for our health and immune system. Eating probiotic foods is one of the most natural ways to supply these probiotics, healthy bacteria, to improve your immune system's health and your gut health. Probiotic means for life. So it's full of life that beneficial bacteria will help you to thrive. According to Science Daily, 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. Gut microbes closely linked to proper immune function and other health issues as well. That's straight from Science Daily. So I wanted to see how this scientific research correlated with the emails and comments I received from you guys. I spent many hours going through the comments and feedback that I got from you guys. Let me read a few comments that I received from your kimchi peers. Nothing could have surprised me more when I realized that I was beginning to lose weight consistently without really trying. Guess what? I was eating kimchi. I was surprised that the bacteria in the fermented vegetables must have changed my metabolism and caused the weight loss. To date, I've lost 45 pounds. That puts me nearly halfway to my goal. This is another good one here. Finding your great tutorial and start having delicious kimchi in my fridge every time I came along with changing my eating habits in general. So now I feel happier with more energy and a few pounds of weight loss. And here's another one. I have no particular health interest in kimchi other than that it's delicious and calorie-free. Eating kimchi allows me to eat much less of other things because it's so satisfying. That's awesome, isn't it? If kimchi is really this powerful, why don't more people use it? I spent many hours through my inbox and comments from you guys and found out what's stopping you from doing this. So here are top 3 kimchi challenges I found out. You don't know where to start. It seems too difficult to start. Well, because it is difficult. The most common kimchi that you know, the 𝙒�ポ cabbage kimchi, is actually quite advanced level. To get it right, it takes a lot of skill and experience. So maybe you make it once and maybe it seems like too big of a task for you because at least it'll take a couple of hours to make it, even if you make a small amount. So my solution for you here is making water kimchi. So the kimchi book here, right here, that's water kimchi. And this one literally takes 10 minutes to make. And this is a winner. Unlike nappa cabbage kimchi, this water kimchi will take about 10 minutes to make, literally 10 minutes to make. And you can start making it with very simple ingredients. For example, onion. Picture right here, you just need the onion. You don't need anything else. Give it a try with onion. That recipe is in the book. So instead of investing 2-3 hours and have a mixed result or failure, this is a fun, easy way to try it, and this is an impossible recipe to fail. And when I give demo and kimchi presentations, this is a large liquid-based kimchi, so you drink the brine mostly, and you eat the crunch vegetable together as well. Most people will keep coming back to the demo stand and they keep asking for more brine over and over again. And people start calling it probiotic shots. So I was like, that's gotta be really helpful. So that's a great way to start your kimchi journey. So this will help you to overcome your first challenge. Second challenge that you have, you've tried hard and keep getting the mixed results. So this can be a little tricky. This could be a lot of variables there, from the size of the grain of the salt, and you might be simply following a recipe that's not quite comprehensive or easy enough for you to follow. Kimchi Master Course is great for this because in Kimchi Master Course, I teach the fundamentals of fermentation. So you understand the basics of fermentation, then you can customize your own kimchi to fit your needs and fit the environment that you live in. So number 3 challenge that you guys have, you overdid it. You either made too much of it, you ate too much of it, you maybe ate wrong kinds of kimchi. For example, I have food sensitivity issues since I was a kid. So for the past 5 years, once I got off steroid medicine, I had to be very careful of what I eat, not to raise my inflammation. So I removed gochugaru from my diet about a couple of years, which is Korean pepper flakes, and which can cause inflammation if you have high food sensitivity. So this recipe, many recipes in this book will show you how to make kimchi without gochugaru. Start small, make a small amount and taste it and see if you like it and how much you eat it. You can always build from there. So this simple book will solve you all the problems that I mentioned above to help you unstuck where you are and move forward toward your health and wellness goals. I have some amazing offers with the kimchi book. I believe sharing this empowering information and simple tools that you can implement easily at home is very important, because when you heal yourself, you heal the things around you. So my number 1 goal is to help you to get healthier with simple tools such as kimchi and provide you proven health and wellness strategy. Some of you emailed me that you lost your job and your income went down due to COVID. In the spirit of helping you during this challenging time, I'd like to make these offers as pay-what-you-want pricing. But please keep in mind that I spent hundreds of hours making these offers to make them available to you as easily as possible. Whatever you can contribute to these offers will go right back in for me to create more simple, practical solutions for you to get healthier. So thanks for supporting me. So you have 3 options. Option 1, you can simply buy this book, Kimchi, and I spent a lot of effort and time to make this standalone and strong so you can solve all the kimchi problems I've mentioned above. I would highly recommend starting with 10-minute water kimchi recipe in this book so you can start your kimchi journey with success very easily. This is very simple, very easy, and impossible to fail recipe, so I highly recommend that. Option number 2. In addition to buying the kimchi book, I made another bundle for you guys. So this one comes with the book, Health Transformation Quick Starter Toolkit, and 15-minute complimentary kimchi secret section with me. Many of you expressed that you guys don't know what to eat and what food to avoid and what to reduce to lower your inflammation and lose weight and get clear skin. Health Transformation Quick Starter Toolkit includes the exact food chart that I used to lower my inflammation while I'm eating all kinds of delicious food, including good fat. And this toolkit also includes recipes that I have followed in a 7-day Get the Body You Want meal plan to show you the example how to follow the quick starter recipes. The package also includes health and wellness tracker I've used for 2 years and 3 months to overcome my health challenges. And last but not least, option number 3, a complete bonus package. And what's included in this package is the book and Simple Korean Cooking book and the Kimchi Master course, so you can make your customized kimchi to fit your needs, and Health Transformation Quick Starter Toolkit, and 1-hour complimentary kimchi secret section or health and wellness boost section. Who is this for? I recommend if you want to boost your health and wellness quickly with the right guidance and avoid mistakes, this will be the best option for you. And I'm only opening 12 slots for this because it takes time to serve people individually, and I only have so much time. And this video will go out to thousands of people. So if you want to be one of the first who join in for this complete bonus package, I encourage you to take advantage of it right away. A book like this with 8 companion videos could reasonably be priced at $30 or more. I paid more for less comprehensive books. But in the spirit of pay what you want, I'm making this available for you less than a cup of coffee at your local coffee shop. I made these offers extremely easy and affordable for you so that you can transform your health. All 3 options are offered as pay what you want with minimum baseline to cover the cost, but the rest is up to you. I've never done pay what you want pricing before. It's a way of me saying that I value you and I trust you. I don't know how long I will offer this because I've never done it. So take advantage of it while it lasts. Getting healthy takes learning. Learning is not a spectator sport. You have to participate. I learned this from Jim Quick. No matter how good of information or simple tools I provide for you, nothing would happen until you take action. So it's your turn now. Your health either improves or declines because nothing stays the same. Everything changes. Follow the link in this video somewhere or below this video for more information about the book and the other 2 offers. Celebrate who you are and celebrate where you are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.